Why am I mindlessly playing on my phone? I should enjoy nature's beauty. The f*** you looking at? Back to Tinder, I guess. I can't believe they fired me. Brian! Yes? The box belongs to the company, you dumb twat! What? What's the matter, boy? You're not going to believe this, Ted. Our neighbor just pulled in his own driveway with his own car and then had the gall to go into his own house and close the door. That son of a bitch! The f***er even opened and closed his car door in the process. Christ. Show yourself, dragon!
Ugh, go away.
Fight me, you coward!
Fuck off!
Don't do this to me, man! I trained 10 years for this!
Oh my god, shut up!
Dragon, please!
One more step and I'll call the cops.
Sometimes, you gotta slow down and just take it all in. What the hell are you doing? Huh? Oh, hello, friendo. Thanks for stopping by. My job is so lonely. What is your job exactly? I don't remember. They say a home is not a place, but a person. If that's true, I'm pretty much homeless. Great story, Snowflake. Dad, there's a fat, ugly monster under my bed. Huh? Now, son, we do not fat shame in this house. You're beautiful. Do you know how much sugar is in soda? Drinking tea is way healthier for you. Just one can of soda has a... Hey, my sports team lost. This has no actual impact on my life and it shouldn't ruin my day. But I'm gonna f***ing let it. Check it out! A message appeared on my toast. Wow, let me see it. Huh? I don't see anything. The message is, only idiots think messages appear on toast. I yassified Jesus like you asked. You mean crucified? Help! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Hey, leave him alone. Stop, you're gonna kill him. Joe, don't get involved. Break it up, guys. Conga! Oh, yeah! Time to sneeze. God bless you. You need a hobby. I got plenty of hobbies. Tennis, cooking, martial arts.